Hey YouTubers, Jameson here. I'm going to do a quick opening of the SteerSmarts Pro Series adjustable front track bar with the poly bushings. If this is something you like, or you want to see more of, or you just want to see the install later in date, probably next month, subscribe and like the channel. Alright, let's see what we got. Just came in UPS. Package looks good. No problems with it. Little sticker, the American flag on it. Some cardboard. More cardboard. Nicely packaged. Definitely looks heavy duty. Definitely heavy. Weighs a ton. Got this to go with the 2-inch lift I'm going to put on there to keep my axle centered. This should do it. I think it's very heavy duty. Looks cool. Oh, if you guys like these videos, subscribe and like the channel, and we're gonna do an install soon.